what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm over here at Bradley's house, actually in his like wash bay and stuff. He's got a nice little setup here where I can actually wash my car inside. He's got it set up like a tarp and stuff right here, but the cool thing is that like in his little wash bay and stuff too, he's got a drain so that we can, well, there's Bradley right there. But he's got heated water and everything else too. Yeah. It'll actually be nice to wash a car inside when it's 30 degrees outside. Yeah. That's why I was like so wanting to come over here so bad. I was like, I know that you got a heated garage. Let me come over and wash my car because it's bad, really bad. It's like, I'll give you guys a walk around real quick. I have neglected this car. This is like the first wash that this is like the first wash in like probably 6 months, 5 months, right before winter. Last year, I had Vince detail it, and then this is gonna be like the first time. So, I mean, I've taken it to like a spray and wash, but I haven't actually like wiped it down or anything like that. So it's really, really, really bad, and I feel bad about it, but it's been 20 degrees, 30 degrees every single day, so. Ready, and also I got a new front lip in here too. If we got some time, I'm gonna throw this thing on there today too. That's what's so convenient about coming over here to Bradley's. Got a lift over here too, so if we're able to be able to throw that front lip on real quick. Oh, dude, I don't know what I did to my back. I don't know if like strained it from putting my wheels on yesterday. Hurts. Dude. Or you wanted to arm wrestle yesterday. Yeah. I don't know if that might have tweaked it, because I was fine, but man, I woke up this morning, my whole right side, dude, is like, it feels like I got kicked in the ribs. Damn it. Yeah. Vince showed up too. So let's give this thing a wash. I don't know like how much in detail I'll go into this, but I mean, it's just a wash. So. Alrighty guys, so if you have a white car, don't neglect your paint during the winter. If I can get it to show up, you can see all these little spots. That's all iron. Man, I need that Iron X stuff. Like, this trunk is fucked. Like, if you take your fingernail to them enough, like some of them will come off, but holy crap. This is clean. Damn. The car is clean. I just need to, I just got to dry it off and stuff. And then move on to the inside. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that trunk right now though. I guess I need to order some of that like Iron X or whatever the hell it's called for iron. But I guess learn after me. Take care of your car.
Looks good. Looks good. Looks really good. Looks good.
All it needs is a Chevy badge on the front.
Hey, we got an extra one if you want to swap it real quick, make it real fast. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna help it.
It won't make it any faster, I don't think.
Probably make it slower.
Put the Camaro engine.
Oh.
Hey man, it's just like when you go and say that nobody ever sees the rear end of my car, they only see the front end.
Yeah.
So, same difference. So it actually make it slower, so I guess they'd see more of the front end.
You need to boost it.
What? What the fuck?
You need to boost it.
Hey, pop the hood.
Pop the hood?
Pop the hood. Pop the hood. Hey, pop the hood.
Pop the hood?
Pop the hood.
Hey, pop the hood.
Pop the hood.
It's
What?
boosted.
His car's boosted.
Boost it more.
What the fuck?
Boost it more. You heard it. Straight from Kurt. Boost it more.
Because it'll all be sped up for the most part.
It would.
The majority of all the stuff that we've been filming.
And I'm sure that all the bros are probably getting a little boring right now. A little bored, like, what's he doing?
Right. Well, I mean, I'd be able
Just making her look pretty, that's all.
Yeah.
Lighting kind of sucks right now, but there you go. Now it actually adjusted. That looks good.
Yeah. Needs some tire shine.
A little bit, but I mean, compared to what it was.
It's just what sucks about it.
Well, the camera, I don't think the camera would actually pick it up.
Oh, I showed them earlier.
Oh yeah, you can see it really bad.
Yeah, I mean, like, I can take my fingernail to it, but hell, it'd take me 3 hours to freaking go through and get every single little tiny piece off.
Yeah, there's a lot of them.
I need to figure out whatever that stuff is called and buy it so I can see if it'll. See if
I put it in my cart. I already found it. It's $14 a bottle. It's pretty cheap.
Oh. Now I'm sure that you'll detail my car.
I can get it in 2 days. So
Yeah.
I got you.
Well, outside is done. Now I need to get the door jambs and all the interior.
Which is fucked.
Yep. Which is fucked.
Maybe more so than the
I
outside.
neglected this car, dude.
It's the winter.
Yeah.
You ever heard of that?
That would be the only way.
Goddamn.
It ain't that bad.
That's ridiculous. I could show you like what the outside of my car looked like.
Oh, it was terrible.
Okay.
Shut that camera off and go look.
No. What's wrong, Ryan? You want to vlog more? Vlog. If not, it's gonna get that camera out of my face. If not, this is gonna be a boring video. You got to make it worthwhile.
What do you want me to do?
Do a backflip.
No. I can't. Give me a trampoline, I can do a backflip. I got Bradley, how do you open this door? Do you have like is there a button over there?
Yeah, over there right by the door with a little blue thing hanging out the wall.
This is it?
Yeah, that's it.
Really?
That's a go. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. We gotta get this.
Doorbell.
That's how you
It is a
open.
doorbell.
Is that how you open the door? Really?
Yeah, you just push it.
Push the button. It's awesome.
Wow.
That's one way to do it.
Yeah.
Or two up there.
That thing is so low.
Yeah. You can't put a truck in there. I don't know
No, Bradley said he does.
how does your truck fit in
He
there?
said he's like a hair off there.
I have to disconnect here
And pull it up.
all the way up.
I thought.
To hold it,
Yeah.
and it comes. The top of my cab lights go. Ooh, and rub his little rubber piece.
That's crazy.
All right.
All right, I guess let's move your car around the other side of the shop and clean the inside out.
Yeah. Yeah.
Damn. It sounds a lot louder in that garage. You gotta keep in mind, man, he drives like a grandma. Slow and steady wins the race.
Goddamn. Fucking grandma.
Just stay out of the shot.
Turn it, turn it, turn it.
He is. You do drive like
goddamn
you
thing.
do drive like a grandma. Hey, I think you need to get some darker tint on your windows, bro.
I couldn't see a goddamn thing. Fuck you, dude. Yeah, I mean, like, well,
Don't let him lie. He loves me.
I felt like
He's
I
just
was
being.
like
He's a little moody right
this
now.
close to that that plow over there.
Right.
I couldn't see a goddamn thing. Damn, now my tires are all muddy.
Yep. All right, now let's get the inside of this biatch cleaned.
Interior is all done, looks 10 times better, so good. That interior like detail stuff made huge difference. Now I just have to wipe down the outside with I think it's Griot's instant detailer stuff, just to get off like any little water spots and stuff like that, and pretty much be done. Then I'm gonna throw my car up on the lift and throw on the front lip. So let me wipe the car down real quick and then we'll get to that.
Okay, so this is the lip, guys. Damn, that thing's got a hell of a bend right there on it. Hopefully that doesn't affect anything. Hopefully. But this is the lip. Okay. One sec. Alrighty. That's how she looks. Got a front lip back on there now. Hell, I mean, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 screws. It ain't going nowhere this time. But I mean,
Until you drag it off stuff.
yeah. Yeah, if I did that, you can go ahead and lower it down. Yeah. Also, guys, if you guys are interested in this front lip also, I'll have a link down in the description below if you guys wanted to buy this exact same one. I think it's Icon Motorsports. I could be wrong though, but I'll link it down in the description below. I got it from Amazon, so if you guys want the same one, in the description.
Alrighty guys, that is the video. Hopefully you guys liked it. Hopefully you like the cinematics and stuff too. But this is like the cleanest the car has been in like probably 6 months. And it looks so good. I still like it. I can't believe that I own this car. It's so badass, man. Having my wheels back on, new front lip, and just, oh man, it's pretty awesome. It's pretty awesome. So if you guys liked the video, man, hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Guys, there is some big stuff coming. I got some stuff coming on Monday. Really big things. Really cool things. I'll just say some interior stuff. So, hint, hint. Like I said, if you guys haven't, subscribe to my channel, guys. There's a lot of stuff coming. Till next time, guys, keep random. Peace.